How to sell on AliExpress. Hello guys, this is Adgis and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can sell on AliExpress. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So the process is actually quite long, but I will teach you guys and tell you in a really quick video. So what you'll need to do to sell on AliExpress is create a seller account. To do that, you can open up your web browser and search for AliExpress seller account. After you search for it, you'll find sell.aliexpress.com. Head over there and you can then create the account. So register for it. So you can tap on join and then register. After you register, what you can do is provide information and verify your account. After you've done that, what you can then do is you can then choose a template, choose your store, customize your store and set up shipping. So you'll basically need to have set up your online store. So just go through with this and create an account for your seller. And after you've done that, you can then start listing your products. So start listing your products. You can choose what products that you want to sell and what you want to do on this seller's page. So after that, you can then manage orders and customer service. So it's basically that simple. All you have to do is create an account here, set up your online store by setting up shipping and customizing your store, then start listing your product. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.